so beautiful Christmas is coming, and I will visit all the children this year.
It's true, Noel. Rejoice! You have to see him. To read the letters.
Do the children diverse each? Could it be that they were all go for dad and mom?
Yes, read it. Be carefully. I'm going to make dinner. He has a lot of work.
Come on, Mr. Claus, I'm very hungry.
Oh, but in this beautiful toy factory, Santa Claus has very special helpers. They are his elf friends who work at full speed.
So many beautiful toys.
Let's pack the gifts.
Each kid's own toys.
In this toy factory, beautiful toys are being made and has everything about Christmas is magical. These toys create light at night.
We are there to choose joy at Christmas.
Who wants to win a crown?
How almost everything is read for Christmas Eve. Look, folks, no, let's distribute the gifts. Let's go, Santa Claus, because at night she will be beautiful and full of love and hope.
We love